A Texas judge has ruled abortions up to 6 weeks of pregnancy can temporarily resume in Texas. But what does it all mean following the U.S. Supreme Court's overturning of Roe v. Wade? Legal experts say it could prevent the law from the 1920s, which banned abortions, from being enforced. Sunrise reporter Cordero McMurray, he joins us now in the studio with a look at what it all means and what happens next. Cordero?
Good morning, Paulo. So on Tuesday, a Harris County judge ruled there have been changes to laws which have granted more rights to women since the 1920s. The judge ruled the state would need to make new laws regulating abortion following the Supreme Court ruling and not revert back to laws from a century ago. Now, this is also an issue. Candidates for governor are already addressing them. Democratic gubernatorial candidate Beto O'Rourke told the Texas Tribune he would work to repeal Texas's abortion ban and expand access to reproductive health care if he's elected. We reached out to our political analyst, Dr. David Smith, to find out what O'Rourke would have to do to get abortion legal in Texas. Smith says if the Texas legislature remains majority Republican, O'Rourke's options would be limited.
So he can issue an executive order from the governor's desk. However, the power of the governor is limited, and he's really kind of handcuffed, if you will, that he can only act based on law that's put before him or opportunities that are put before him.
Dr. Smith says it's likely Governor Abbott will call a special session of state lawmakers to discuss new laws to prevent abortions. Smith says this can help Governor Abbott and build up a base ahead of the November elections and get Republican voters to the polls.
Greg Abbott is struggling in the polls, and he's only got a 5-point lead over O'Rourke as of June 12th. And that's based off the most recent polling we saw with the Uvalde shooting and the response. And so that's already a knock on him politically. And then to have this decision come down and try to build some momentum with women, he's going to be struggling.
Smith says some other key issues O'Rourke and Abbott are campaigning on include gun safety laws, education funding, and state infrastructure. And we wanted to know why some issues like abortion are decided on by the courts or lawmakers and not a general election where voters decide. Dr. Smith will break that down for us coming up in the second half hour of Sunrise. Reporting in studio, I'm Cordero McMurray, Chris, 6 Sunrise.